That's what I call this, the organized chaos. Let's try to count in this quick little clip how many times we hear a horn. Or better yet, I was gonna say, how many times we see something crazy or unusual. Them carrying something crazy. There's one, there's two, there's a horn, there's three, there's a horn coming up here, there's four, there's five. I don't know if you heard it in the distance. Look at this guy coming up here. This giant bag. Like I said, they don't play around. 7 right here. Let's count this one as 7. It's like a whole grocery store. Let's see if we can maybe hit 10 real quick. There's 8. There's 9. There's 10. There we go. And here's another perfect one to end it on.